How's it going, guys? My name is Sora, and today I'm going to be playing Super Mario Bros. 2 on the NES emulator. So, I got a bit of a new setup going on. I have a huge monitor right here where I'm going to be playing the emulator, or the game. And then right here I have the camcorder. Not going to dwell on it too much. Let's just jump right into a bit of the history of the game so I can go ahead and start playing. So, Super Mario Bros. 2 is a platform game that was published and developed by Nintendo for the NES, or the Nintendo Entertainment System, as you guys may know. The game was released in North America back in October 9th, 1988, if I believe correctly. So, you know, it was built for like many other consoles, or like re-released and remade for many other consoles in the future. And most importantly, this game was produced by none other than Shigeru Miyamoto himself. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start playing. So, basically you can choose from any of these four characters. It's a 2D side-scrolling platformer. So you can choose from Princess Peach, or in this case, they actually call her Princess Toadstool. You can also choose Toad, who I'm going to be choosing, Luigi, and Mario. So I'm going to go with Toad. And I actually discovered as I was playing it for the first time, each of the characters have a different skill set that benefits them. So Toad actually is able to use a power block that helps him attack his enemies. And that's something that's unique to Toad himself. So mechanic-wise, it's pretty straightforward. It's mostly just like a jump platformer. So you can't really attack enemies. So like for instance, this part is going to be pretty hard because if I touch them once, I die. Okay, and another thing that I've noticed with this emulator in particular is that it's just super hard to pick up, or not pick up, I guess just utilize properly. This might be the case with the older game, but this is super sensitive, guys. I have problems just trying to jump correctly, or like pinpoint exactly where I'm trying to jump. I'm actually doing better in this playthrough than I was in my last few, so that's a good sign. Okay, I'm just gonna jump on top of this and then throw it. Cool. So that knocked a few of the Shy Guys out. I believe there is a heart. Oh man. When you defeat certain Shy Guys, they actually release hearts. And if you lose a life, you are taken to the beginning of the game again. So, just a bit of a challenge for y'all. Oh. Oh no. I'm very bad at playing this game. I'm just gonna say that right off the bat. Okay, so it seems like there are different worlds that you can travel to. So this is just World 1. Stage 1 of World 1. So that means that there are plenty of other worlds to explore and travel through. And then eventually you get to the big bad, who I'm assuming is Bowser, but I'm pretty sure I'm wrong about that. Wow, I literally can't focus it's just that one jump that I have problems with. Okay, so as you saw, you get 3 lives. And let's try with Mario this time. I don't have a lot of time left to go through it, I guess. But let's just try him out. Okay. Apparently he can jump the farthest. So let's see if that bodes true. Yeah, that's pretty accurate, I'd say. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the door. And you are given 2 lives, so like you can be Big Mario, and if you get hit, you become Little Mario. I'm assuming that's how it goes. Okay. Okay, so let's pick that up and throw it. Perfect. I think Mario might be like easier to control overall, I guess. I could be wrong. Oh my gosh, those bird things. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I definitely know that those are Shy Guys, though. That's quite obvious, but the Goombas, Koopa Troopas, I don't know. So given how, like, you know, this is an earlier Mario game, obviously, Peach is known as Princess Toadstool, which, you know, she comes from the Mushroom Kingdom, so I guess that was just her earlier name before they changed it. Alright. That's cool. So you get 3 lives, apparently. And if you know, lose all your lives, then it's game over and you have to start over again. And you can get, like, I think 3 retries before you just end up, you know, having to restart the game all over again. So I'm guessing that each, oh wow, I'm guessing that each continue just picks up from the last point that you left off in the game. So you're only allowed 3 continues. Okay, let me, there's gotta be a way to, like, go down to retry, right? There we go, okay. So yeah, you can start over from the beginning again if you hit retry. But I think that's where I'm just going to go ahead and leave it off because I did hit the minute mark. But thank you so much for watching this playthrough, guys. I know it was a little short and a little lackluster on my side. I'm not great at this game, guys. I'll be honest. But thank you so much for watching and hope you